This is why residents of Dubai should have a U.S. LLC. And I'm going to explain it in the video. I've seen it on other channels, but if you haven't seen this yet and you're living in Dubai and you don't have a U.S. company or never even heard of the concept, you should definitely watch this video because I'm going to go over what the people are telling me. I have so many clients who live in Dubai and I have so many clients who have moved to Dubai and clients who have been living there and decide to work with me later and help get our help getting them set up. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why and how it works. The concept is that if you're a resident of Dubai, they have no personal income tax. Well, in the past, people would open up Dubai companies, UAE companies, and they open up and they operate through those companies. The problem with those companies are that you have a 9% income tax now, which is new, and then you also have to deal with the banks and the compliance there. They're always asking for receipts. They're asking for proof of stuff. And since there's an income tax, you actually have to be kind of organized with what you're selling them. You can't just send money out and say it's an expense because they're actually reviewing it and they're auditing it and they're trying to be involved with that whole thing. So to keep this video kind of short and clean, this is what I'm recommending clients. If you're a guy from Canada who moved to Dubai, yeah, you can have your UAE company. You need it for immigration purposes, for your visa or whatever. That's fine, whatever. But if you want to do business, it's easier to have a U.S. LLC, open it, get your bank account, your addresses, and just like get your payment processors, and then operate through this U.S. company, U.S. bank account. Side note, we help our clients get like the right addresses, the right kind of company, and the right bank accounts so that they can actually run their businesses without any issues. And if people get their accounts closed, we have other options, other contacts, all that stuff. But I want to give you the information so you know why, and you can also do a lot of it yourself with the videos on this channel. But what we're doing is we're helping clients open the LLCs and then open the bank account. So if you are ever in the US, it might be better to open an LLC in the state where you're going. There's different types of companies. Of course, I'm jumping around a little bit, but the LLC is a limited liability company. It's disregarded for tax purposes. The LLC doesn't pay tax, and because you live outside the US and do your services outside the US, you don't pay income tax in the US either. So it's called a disregarded entity. There's different compliance stuff you have to do. But what I usually recommend for my guys in Dubai is to own the LLC personally in their own name instead of in their company name. Because if the company owns it, then it's like your Dubai company is doing the business. So when you, as a Canadian dude living in Dubai, have your own LLC, you can spend the money with the LLC however you want. You can send it to yourself. And there's no real audit risk because it's not subject to tax. The only thing you have to do is comply with the bank rules so they don't close your account. But there's no tax in the US. There's no personal income tax in Dubai. So it's kind of a better option. And it's easier to get paid from American clients. I would venture to say that there's more consumers in the US than there are in Dubai in terms of like all my clients are selling to Americans. In any case, I would recommend this LLC structure, even if you don't want to use it, just to have it ready, have it set up, especially if you're a serious entrepreneur in case you ever need it in the future, because it is very handy. There's very low maintenance costs. There's very low like setup costs and it doesn't take much time, and it's just so useful to have some US stuff. The US government doesn't share information with other countries readily. They don't participate in CRS. There's no income tax on this. It's very clear. I've gotten refunds from clients all the time. It's something that I've done a lot, and I just think it's a great option. So if you're in Dubai and you have any questions, comment below. If you've heard of this and it's redundant, I hope my video gave you some insights that were useful. And if you've never heard of this before, subscribe to the channel because I talk about this stuff all the time. And if you want to just do this right now and you thought this video was amazing, you can contact me and the team at jamesbakercpa.com/schedule. I just want to make a quick video about Dubai again because I've been talking to so many clients who are out there who they've never even heard of it still, and it's just been been a revelation to me. I made so many videos about this, but obviously you haven't seen my old videos, so I'm making a new one for you. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Comment below if you need any other questions or any other things you want to see videos about. See you later.